Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation mode you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got 3 buttons navigation, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the button with the square icon, I believe. And after that it will be transferred to the recents. If you've got the gestures, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be quite a long motion, and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got all previously opened apps. So here we've got 2 different ways to close the apps. So you can do it manually, one by one, just by swiping it up. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you don't want to do it manually, you don't have time to do that, just go to the very left. As you can see here, we've got the clear all, so let's tap on it, and here we got back to the home screen. So let's enter to check, and here, as you can see, we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your NOKIA X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.